How to reach the castle in Get Higher. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to reach castle in Get Higher. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So the first step is follow the path north of Lookout Landing through Hyrule Castle town ruins. When you reach a locked gate, climb around the cliffs on the left side. Follow the path up to the first gatehouse. Take the path left to the first gatehouse and go all the way until the path stops. Where the path is ripped apart, you will see a building parts station with wooden parts. The image shows the exact point. Now the step 2, at this point we need to take out some Zonai devices from the inventory and combine them to fly up the Hyrule Castle. Make a manual save here. In case something goes wrong, you can reload to get back your Zonai devices. Use Ultra Hand ability to combine a small wooden board from the building parts stationed with one flame emitter middle of the board plus one balloon on the top of the flame emitter plus one battery on the side of the board, not under the flame emitter or else it will rip apart. When combined it looks like this. If you don't have any of these devices, here are dispensers where you can get them by trading any Zonai parts, example Zonai charges or construct horns. The first one is flame emitter. Now the second one is the balloon, and the third one is the battery. Now here, moving on to the step 3, stand on the board and hit the emitter or battery. The flame will fill the balloon and it flies up with you on the board. The battery will keep powering the flame. One battery is enough to reach the top. When you are at the top, jump off and glide over the castle. Now after you land on, the first thing to do is activate the Serutabumak shrine. This will create a permanent fast travel point here. Now you can come back at any time. That's all there is to reaching this late game region early. As soon as you have the required Zonai devices, you can head there right away. So in this very simple step, you could reach the castle in the game application. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.